Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today, just want to show you what a mouse nest looks like in your blown-in insulation.
You can see these really clearly defined holes when you look around. You only see them from certain angles, but at least for this house, they were all over the place. I know, gives you the heebie-jeebies. What I found was like how you could tell if you disrupt each of these holes. I use my foot, then you kick away the insulation and you'd see little mouse droppings down on top of the drywall. And so that's kind of the indicator like, yep, that was a mouse nest. Now, you have to set traps, get an exterminator, do whatever in order to make sure that you get rid of the mice. Their holes aren't really damaging to the insulation, not really damaging to the house structure itself, but at least if you pop your head into your attic and you see a bunch of these holes, then it probably means you need to get rid of some mice.
So there you go. That is what to look for if you see weird holes in your blown-in insulation. Call an exterminator, or hopefully, like in this case, there already was an exterminator and you have nothing to worry about, but that at least explains the mystery holes. Hey, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates and helpful tips from Spirit of a Handyman.
Just a quick note while we're talking about attics and insulation, this particular attic is not adequately insulated. These are 2x4 trusses running across here, and you can see my tape actually isn't all the way down. That's a 16-inch piece of wood right there, and the insulation is only at like 4 inches from the bottom. So this attic should have 16 inches of insulation. This is in Cincinnati, Ohio, and geographically, you should have about 16 inches of blown-in insulation for your attic. So you can see the top of those 2x4s right there. It's where service people have been walking, installing those lines, and it's been enough to disrupt the insulation, but maybe they also just didn't install enough to begin with. So make sure you have good insulation blown into your attic in order to have adequate insulation and to knock down your utility bills.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.